Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas Sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is Bridging the Gap. This article dictated by Vikas Sir and 100 word per minute. ओके चलिए हम डिस्कस करते हैं अपना आर्टिकल। इस आर्टिकल में क्या बोला गया है ऑल ओवर रिव्यू बता देता हूँ मैं। ब्रीजिंग द गैप मतलब ब्रीजिंग का यहाँ पे मीनिंग, ब्रीजिंग मीन्स गैप को फिल करने की कोशिश। गवर्नमेंट शुड स्पॉन्सर प्रीपरेटरी प्लान्स टू हेल्प फिल फैकल्टी पोस्ट इन सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूशन। देखो ऑल ओवर इसमें क्या बोला है, गवर्नमेंट शुड स्पॉन्सर प्रीपरेटरी मतलब प्रिपरेशन कर रही है, स्पॉन्सर कर रही है जो प्लान्स हैं, हेल्प जो फैकल्टी जो पोस्ट है सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट में। काफ़ी सारे इंस्टीट्यूट हैं जो हमारी एससी और एसटी और ओबीसी को वहाँ पे पढ़ने के लिए काफ़ी मतलब काफ़ी पैसे खर्च करने पड़ते हैं। वहाँ पे ओबीसी एससी और एसटी को वहाँ पे सीट नहीं मिल रही है। ओके उसमें काफ़ी जैसे जनरल कैंडिडेट हुआ या और कोई भी कैंडिडेट हुआ उसको हमें पढ़ने के लिए उस इंस्टीट्यूट में काफ़ी पैसे खर्च करने पड़ते हैं। दिस आर्टिकल इज़ कम्प्लीटली रिलेटेड टू एजुकेशन। ओके चलिए हम डिस्कस करते हैं अपना आर्टिकल 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। रेडी गाइस स्टार्ट। A severe deficit in the number of OBC, SC, ST candidates recruited as faculty in central institutes of higher education has been revealed by Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal in Parliament, drawing attention once again to the pallid state of reservation in some of India's elite institutions. Some of the striking data show 62% unfilled vacancies for SC in the IIMS and 90% for OBC in the IISC, while vacant positions are on average about 38% to 52%, taking central universities, IISERs, IIT, non-faculty, IGNOU and Sanskrit central universities into account. The data confirm that the trend seen earlier in the IIT system extends to many more institutions, highlighting a serious mismatch between the government's equity building goals and actual recruitment outcomes. In the case of the IITs, an official committee suggested that the way out would be to exempt these institutions from reservation as provided for under the Central Educational Institutions Reservation in Teachers Cadre Act 2019 or to reserve lower faculty positions after a year if suitable candidates from the beneficiary communities are not found. This cannot obviously be a salutary course for official policy when the reservation system envisaged as an improvement on Western ideals of affirmative action is widely seen as the shortest path to equality and equity. What could help bridge the gap is better understanding of the lacunae in the educational system marked by a sea of deprived public schools and colleges, hyper commercialized private universities and colleges, and islands of elite institutions such as the IIMS. The failure of the central higher education institutions to recruit faculty to all the reserved positions is usually attributed to the absence of enough qualified candidates, as the Education Ministry's Committee for IITs did. One of the forward looking remedial measures suggested by the panel was to start government sponsored preparatory programs which would both equip preparatory programs aspiring faculty and create a pool of research talent. This has merit in the context of management, science, and other disciplines, and in the short term could help qualified individuals overcome the deficiencies of their preparatory years. Such courses would also make these institutions of higher learning more socially responsive, meeting the goal of addressing historical deprivation of communities based on caste. Yet there are larger questions that need answers and which continue to be agitated in courts. One of them is whether there should not be even greater attention devoted to the most marginalized within the reserved categories, such as SC, since trickle down quota benefits for them are scarce. The egalitarian answer would be to continue expanding the pie of opportunity in the public realm through ever greater funding of equality, universal education at all levels, and aiding the deprived through affirmative action on the road to equality. Full stop. इस आर्टिकल को आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छे लगते हैं, डिक्टेशन को सपोर्ट करना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।